Hey guys, this is Ainsley here with an unboxing of the Kogan mechanical keyboard. So I just got this yesterday in the mail and now I'm gonna unwrap it. So it comes in this simple box here. As you can see, it's a bit similar to the Woolworths home brand packaging, where they just have simple packaging. So nothing really much about the keyboard, just how it looks like. Name of it, Kogan.com. Apologize for my messy table. Haven't really got anywhere else at the moment to film this. So this is the keyboard, which we'll put aside for a sec. Get a disc with presumably the software and maybe drivers. Keycap puller. And a little message from Kogan. Basically, they don't include manuals with their products, so they save on printing paper, so you can just download the manual online. So it's the keyboard. I'll just take it out of packaging. Okay. So this is the keyboard. It's a black keyboard, pretty solid. Cherry MX brown switches. So this is my first mechanical keyboard, and when I was looking around for a keyboard, I was trying to look for a cheap one. And this one was on Kogan's website, live sale for 99 bucks. They were manufacturing it. Took them about 2 months until they got it out. So I'll just show you a quick view of the keyboard. Full keyboard layout. You have macro keys here, function keys at the top here. So I believe those are for controlling the response time and the polling rate. Media keys, volume keys, and adding it to gaming mode or controlling the brightness of the backlight. Macros and volume and lighting controls as well. And on the back of the keyboard we have cable routing slots, or whatever they're called, and we also have little feet here to lift the keyboard up, and it's actually got rubber on it as well, so that's a good thing. There, Kogan mechanic gaming keyboard, made in China. One thing I did notice was the box was actually a little bit damaged on the outside, but I'm guessing it's probably been imported from overseas and it's been tumbled around quite a lot, but it's a small thing. Keyboard's still intact. I can plug it into USB and show the backlighting at a later time, but the backlighting is blue and the arrow keys and the WASD keys are actually lit brown or red, I think. And yeah, this is the unboxing for the Kogan keyboard. And also I'll just show the keys using the keycap puller. So that is the Cherry MX brown switch there, as you can see. There's a LED right above it. Hope you like it, and see you later.